Faze Rain tweeted out, Faze is treating me so effing unfair. After everything I did for you, after letting you not pay me back for 5 years and letting it slide, F you. I have never been effed over harder. Never. A fan responded by saying, WTF, I would have thought they'd be helping you during a time like this. Rain responded by saying, helping? They're leaving me on the streets. They don't give an F where I am or stay. But that's when Banks responded with, that isn't effing true, Norden. We've offered you help numerous times. We've explored so many different options to help you solve your problem. You have shut them all down. Rain fired back with, I'm not going to a facility. I've told you a million times, and you know exactly why we share that same reason. I came back to LA to try to be happy with you guys, and this is what happens. Banks responded by saying, everybody in the house has suggested getting you an apartment with a private nurse and sober buddy and help you beat this thing, and you have said no. We have explored every option and continue to drag your friends after everything that's happened is unfair and not the truth.